Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about electronic vehicles in Jamaica. Now the government has been trying to promote electronic vehicles in Jamaica. They have given duty concessions for people to bring them in, and they have adjusted the law so that persons can operate these vehicles in Jamaica, reinsurance, etc., etc. So the government has laid the framework for electric vehicles to be used in Jamaica. So we're going to take a look at an article giving an update as to what the government is doing, and then we'll discuss it after. The government will continue to transform the public transportation sector by using more renewable energy and electric vehicles, EVs. Speaking at the launch of the government electric vehicle trial program held at the Jaguar Land Rover showroom on Arthur Wint Drive in Kingston, Minister of Transport and Mining Honorable Audley Shaw noted that EVs demonstrate a positive change in public awareness of the climate crisis, which is exacerbated by the use of fossil fuel by motor vehicles worldwide. 5 government ministries will benefit from using Build Your Dreams BYD electric vehicles for 6 weeks. They are being provided by Stewart's Automotive Group and EV Distributors, Flash Motor Company Limited. The 5 ministries include Science, Energy and Technology, Transport and Mining, Finance, and the Public Service, and 2 others. The experience will provide us all with useful information on the technical aspects of EVs and the requirements for supporting charging infrastructure. At the same time, it will raise public awareness about this new mode of transport as a viable alternative, Mr. Shaw said. He pointed out that 5 of the 50 buses being added to the Jamaica Urban Transit Company fleet will be electric. Mr. Shaw said the fleet will also benefit from the addition of a further 20 buses that will use compressed natural gas under the expansion of the natural gas project in partnership with the new Fortress Energy Company. For his part, State Minister for Industry, Investment and Commerce, Dr. the Honorable Norman Dunn, noted that with a government policy to incentivize the importation of EVs now approved by Cabinet, we expect an increase in the number of consumers who will be able to afford these vehicles. So with this in mind, we are making specific adjustments for our motor vehicle import policy to accommodate concessional rates afforded by the electric vehicle policy, he added. Stewart's Automotive Group is currently the only dealership that provides EVs for purchase. The company has so far sold approximately 20 vehicles with an estimated 100 in stock. Alright, so that's the end of the article. Now, Jamaica does not have oil reserves. They have to import all the oil and gasoline, that is used to run the vehicles in Jamaica, to run the cars in Jamaica, whether it's diesel or gas, they have to import it. Marky will have a refinery, Petrojam, to refine it, but the product still has to be imported and then refined here and sent to the gas stations. So the largest import item into Jamaica is oil, whether it be for cars, trucks, whatever. It is the largest item that Jamaica imports. So if we can get more electric vehicles in Jamaica, to be used in Jamaica, I should say, that's less oil that government has to import, so that's less money being spent on oil, money that could be spent somewhere else. So it's definitely a good project, and it's been done all over the world. Electronic vehicles are the way of the future. Now as technology improves, more specifically the battery life of the vehicles, you have hybrids that use both gas and electric. So the battery runs low or dies, it switches over to gas. All these things they're proven, the technology is proven, I should say. So it's good that Jamaica is giving these concessions and trying to get these vehicles into the country. A full electric vehicle doesn't use any gas, it's straight battery, and as time goes on, those batteries will have longer and longer running time. And it's very good that Jamaica has is going to open an electric vehicle dealer in Jamaica. BOYD or BYD is actually setting up a dealership in Jamaica, so that's a very good sign. And the government says they're going to be bringing in electric buses, so that's definitely a good move. So we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on and keep you updated on the electric vehicles in Jamaica. Alright guys, so leave your comments in the section below and let us know what you think about the article and about electric vehicles being used in Jamaica. And if anybody has an electric vehicle, tell us about your experience. Tell us the pros and cons that you experience with it. Alright guys, have a good day.